Wildfires can be initiated by natural occurrences like lightning or human actions such as campfires left unattended. These fires devastate vast landscapes, consuming forests, wildlife, and even entire communities, leaving long-lasting scars on the environment. The best way to prepare is to create a defensible space around your home by clearing flammable materials and maintaining irrigation around your property. In the event of a wildfire, always have an emergency plan that includes evacuation routes and essential supplies. Local authorities will provide real-time alerts. Staying informed can save lives.